Kerajaan Tiprasang ni hamkrai klien ni bagai Tiprasang hamkrai tang bedek songsa zaka. Awani bisintino samong bok klien zagai tongo Tiprasang ni hamkrai ni bagai. Aba haikino thanai talkisha sekang Tiprasang hamkrai tang bedeni Montri Mebar Kumar Jomatia kaisa koktuma thunani panda khai Tiprasang rung sringai tongroni gaham thringni kokwan sugai kaisa ketalke haboni phajingti yapri naharmani. Tiprasang hamkrai tang bedeni shakthar mungbai Tiprasang rung sringai rungno 2020 to 2021 bisiwo one time financial help dinani bagai shaklai bani aboni bisingtino hastini kabangma kri chugya rungsngai rokbo apply khaika paithago jerono haste haponi Tiprasang hamkrai tang bedeni bakhakte one time financial help rijangnai borongno kaisa certificate bangoni panda khlaijaka grakshala buba grakhor agoni dosron mukumu hollogo pandao manja phaika narwal motomgai Tiprasang hamkrai montri Mebar Kumar Jomatia principal secretary Punit Agarwal IS Akosha pandao kok sana thangai boromgrang montri shaka Tiprasang hamkrai tang bedeni bakhakte interview hayake borongno amjogai naimani ulo khorok thamra neisisa rungsngai rongno one time financial support rijaka te rangsabaisaka khok tham rija Baskani shalobo omo haikina tebo loa jibong na harjangnai Tiprasang rungsngai bagai hine te samong bokhlaijana hine kok sawi khanarika
আগে উঠে না সমস্যা নেই
সবাইকে নমস্কার কিনেছেন ট্রেজার ওয়েলফেয়ার ডিপার্টমেন্ট namely that is the program Singapore Saimanawati program one-time financial support scheme অবশ্যই কেতাল সরল ফাইলে ও স্কিম নচেন সামথা তিনি আর ফাইনাল থেকে তিনি প্রিন্সিপাল সেক্রেটারি রেসপেক্টেড পুনিত আগরওয়াল জি তিনি ডাইরেক্টর কেআরপিটিজিটি নগেন্দ্র দেববর্মা এডিশনাল SDM in Binoy, District Welfare Officer, Burjan Rankal, Tejoto Chini, Department Chini, staff, Tejinor Kobanga Chini, Chini Guardian, Tej Chatro Chatri, Togan, Ani Bukhabai, Khatu Kurbai, Ani Khatchangma, Tej Hambai Yafar. Omal Puila Chini Tiparai Logo, Omal Ketal scheme. One-time scheme, financial assistance, education, Pranathantam. Opuile tigal distribo, obaisen, oskimachen, Chini Montri Sabha cabinet, so meeting thaye, so mara pass thai. Ohe agro to lugako. O scheme eglak mannai, je chhatro ka ham. Rangkuja kere sampai pore maya, boleh bagai, askim saja kan. ST minority group permanen. Sempurna, cowok muka, 321 jon, 321 student, berapa mana? 1 lakh berapa mana? Sempurna silat raja. Thousand, berapa 321 jon dipakai 1 lakh, musuh mereka, company fund pay about 3 crore. You calculate 321.
321 lakhs, 3.21 crore.
Yeah. Price 3.1 crore. 3 कोटी है जन, सब खर्च नहीं. This is the first time in the history of Tripura. Our student, ST student, are getting opportunity to get one-time assistance. Scholarship is normal. Everyone will get. Now, Takaka did Omar Hanglai, scholarship Bangla. Scholarship Bangla. It is normal. Everyone will get scholarship. The scholarship Bade, extra, our children, 1 lakh money. The first time in the history of Tripura. Then recently no look you have seen. Chini cock borok subject no prenabagi college assistant professor. So by John you highlight all the push get there. History pull down. Assistant professor. Chini cock borok subject to prenai. So by John so you highlight. Why cannot find it come high? College social work bang poi to ka cover subject. University pore wo chunok prenai kore. Ar bagoi so by John cock borok subject prenai bagoi assistant professor sun di prenai. Ego chunok khana chini sikla romno. Tau soi jong chini bawaching root hostel lo. Only girl student. The class 10 pass by 9, 50% mark 19. So, software programming, software software free of cost. 18 months nebagi, so tabo dinai tabo. Tabo sayman. Tabo isang exodan hay guru imaka. Tabo nabo gurukul pay travel over department. Military, so software programming. Karena bagai oleh admin itu. Awak punya tipe peristiwa amat kaya jauh. Jadi pada tangan aja, jadi perawan apa pun naik. Completely free. Punya nang aja. Kaya jadi apa? Omai sama jadi kaya jauh. Tapi वो सिंह सरकताल फेमली पड़ेगा. जिन ट्राइबल ओर में उड़ूगे, चेस्टा में. पुण्य 2018 वो 18 जन 18 student. Ang dili pa ka IS kuji khaya bagai. All a good student, engineer, MA BA pass, kaham mark mana 60% above. No 18 student, boys and girls. Sebenarnya dili wo pathal ro kacen. 9 mas mo training, coaching mas lagi bro. Free of cost. Ek punya orang India. Sampai 2-3 kali dah dalam sesuai kan. Jadi tinggal pada masa sudu. The second time, high hobi kan terasa. Second base, 16 জন guru bajla bai ini 16 জন. Baru hari itu IS pernah bagai. IS coaching kena bagai Delhi pasar awak. Itu durbai gawa sih. So kuli itu nak khos lagi. Ek penyebar langan dia. Dokter free. Kalau tu hotel tahu. Khoroksa tu nilai itu 35,000 per month, 35,000 per month. Semua khoroksa itu, berapa? Gitu, anis khatrul. Not a single student can pass IELTS exam. Jadi very sad. Asal tu orang khoroksa itu, orang itu berapa? Khoroksa ini 35,000, 35,000 per month. Sumber itu 9 mas sumber hoka Delhi coaching kena bagi IS pass kena bagi cini punit agar orang lain na bagi Tulsi madam so jabal masuk kaya na bagi cini rohmani itu mas pun pass lagi anda satu kan kalau kita macam ekal lagi naik kalau 3 kuti heran sumber lagi naik ang orang muncul ani satu ani sikla nung semai matan. Jabro ichha kere, jatuh orang lodi kaya, ran baisni sama tukia. Nung ichha to nana, desire. Nini bakha uyu nai, burning desire. Yes, I want to become a good doctor. I want to become lawyers. I want to become IAS officers. I want to become minister, political leaders. Nung semai bakha semai zaman kriket nemuya. That is what I want. They didn't see that all. No, extra sama kaya. Ang barbar ko kau. Nung Islami hangkai, nung kudusubiya. Nung Islam mangai. Extra sama mangai. Kubun tu apa kalau tu sih? Sini satu orang. Di luar soal pun tak boleh hangkai. Ang sabot apa pun. extra activities makanya. Nengkai mangai, nengkepai mangai. Kali hangai, nengkete mangai. Ang saya dokter sikaro. Nak cakap ham kaya masuko. Nak ham kaya masuko. Mai ham tanah masuko. Kolej ham pernah masuko. Dokter ni masuko. Musuko ni paya. So musuko tongai, imam mo tongai. Nung kumakai pasal ni dokter nanti. Kalau tulen ni ada bujalo. Oh itu extra sama ini extra sama. You have to perform extra duties, extra work. Simple man sikere, guri nahi tomo, mobile khilayo, guri layo, zuzulayo, no. Boleh ada masalah. Ani jibran anek kosto makha, an khiman. An anek kosto dipori. Jodoh bukan anda yang khiman. How I struggle my life. Everybody know. Am pun sodang bato, silong aja kan pun sodang bato ya. Tahu sih kalau baru di bato ya. Every 6 AM am bato. Tongkai alga satu puluh. I did my college in morning section. Dengar tak? Ada kesana silong am bonus kelas kali. From 7 to 11 on the class. Silaman College, one of the best college in Shillong. One of the best college in Shillong, Silaman College. Around lucky day about the Makha. Ano, tamu kita berada morning section. And morning section from 6, 7 to 11. 2 to 7. Pastor Mabata Hotel, Tato Mabata Hotel. Then I go to this college. For 5 years, no, 3 years, I attend morning class. After 12, after 11 class, 12 noon, I would work. From 12 to 5 p.m., I had a duty. I work in company. Then I came home at 6 o'clock. 3 years I struggled. I'm proud of someone. Tahu kami silawo aram betul because I have a desire. And so I cannot do. One day, at least I'll pass my master degree. 1992. Still I have to tell my history. Anak tak kerja apa ni kau? Mohon diundi. Apa minister, revenue minister, you remember? Because he now be like his own son. Till now, both of them, you are very poor family, I know. You have to struggle your studies. And 91, at the first level, you go do service. I revenue inspector. In 1992, I got revenue inspector. Offer. More living in I never, I know you have struggled a lot, you get a service. RI post, 1992. After some of them, I will apply anything on. I do not complete any. So let me complete my master's degree, then I will decide. After honors pass I go. I want to do my master's degree, I will go back to Shillong. I am going to Nalia. Exactly. 1992. Then I went back to Shillong. I was some of the Majata, thank you very much for the offer. But I want to become somebody else. I'm sacrificing this offer. I will become minister one day. I told her. This is my determination. But at that moment, you have to be solid mind, strong determination, courageous. It is very easy.